Jah decided to visit the park. He saw 7 bright lights shining in the dark. "Who are they?" he asked so sweet, as magic swirled around his feet. First came Marcus Garvey, proud and tall. He said, "Stand strong, don't fear at all." He taught black pride, he lit the flame, and made the world respect our name. Then Paul Bogle marched with might for justice, truth, and people's right. "Be brave," he said, "stand up, be true." Jah felt proud, he wanted to. George William Gordon stood strong, his voice was clear. "Speak the truth, don't live in fear." For freedom's call, he paid the price, but showed that courage can't be sliced. Then Queen Nanny blew her horn. "We'll guard our land where we were born." She led her people through the fight. Just saw her glow, so fierce, so bright. Sam Sharp dreamt that chains would fall, and freedom's song would fill us all. "Freedom is right," he said with grace. Jah felt hope light up his face. Norman Manley and Bustamante, side by side, led our people with strength and pride. They built a land where hope could grow. Jah whispered softly, "Now I know." 7 stars, forever bright, Jah will guide their flame each night.